Hole. Breather goes in part. Stuck back in box.
So you don't need a shim for that.
Marked down it's vintage.
Lightly used.
Tested, so it's cost accurate. We had to test it. There you go. Okay, do you want plastic or you want steel?
I don't know, we had plastic last time, huh?
When they came out with plastic valves, they had to have a plastic washer also.
Well, you don't have a.
Well, yeah, you can't mix steel and plastic in the same application, so they had to switch over to plastic.
Oh, so I want to steal one. I see what you're saying.
I mix and match them all the time. I don't make a process.
Is that 110?
I don't know. I gotta measure it. How thick is that, Joe? Let me see your eyes. How thick is it?
110.
110? Okay, perfect. We'll use this one.
They work for all of them.
Maybe we should check. I've only had a couple applications need 105.
Yeah.
Usually they're 110 to 115. And sometimes they're 120. This one's close.
Did you zero that out?
There's a 0 in it, yeah.
See? Look at that. Every time it reads different.
This is
Michitobo.
This is the one that doesn't work very well.
Where's the one with the good ends on it?
Every time.
Well, it's only off by half a thou to a thou. It's 139. So let's say it's 140 to 138.
It's supposed to be 110?
Slightly big.
Well, Joe was using my parts container last time, so.
I wasn't.
It says plastic 140.
That wasn't plastic.
Was it?
The one you got?
So maybe we should use one that says 110.
I think we should check
See how
it.
it's thinner?
Way
The other one did not look like 110 to me either.
It's a lot bigger.
This one's 109.5,
That's close enough, isn't it?
but we're half a thou off negative.
Negative? So it's really 109?
So that means it's 110 because you have to add a half to it. Do you like that one?
Yep.
Or do you want a plastic one?
I like it.
Plastic one's lighter.
Racing.
It won't last as long.
Do I have any plastic 110s?
Less,
130s. No, we're out of 110 plastics. But we got a bunch of 140, 45, 50, 60, and 165. We can cut them down.
You cut them down?
And then we can get some real thick ones. Okay, you got the one you like, Joe?
right in front of you on the bench right there.
Right in front of me on the bench. You mean this thing right here?
Yeah.
Perfect.
There's a breather.
Did you get the gear lined up for me while I was going?
Yeah, I didn't want to do it wrong, but it's damn near there right now.
It's damn near there already.
Yep. I got a little turn of the tire. It's going to be perfect.
When you hit the button in the right spot, it was right where it needed to be.
I doubt I'm going to hit the button this time. Look at where the dot is on the bottom.
Which dot are we on? I can't even see a
The
dot.
very bottom
Is
down
there a
there?
dot down there somewhere?
Like 1, 2.
Yep.
How can you tell? Can't even see in there.
There's a dot right there.
Can't even see in there. What's the out of the way?
Oh, yeah. That
Perfect.
You mean that dot right there? That's way the hell off.
Where's it supposed to be?
Well, there's a dot here and a dot here.
Where's the other one at, though? The corner on the small
There's
gear.
one right there and there's one right there.
Isn't there supposed to be one on that small gear also, on the crank?
That's what the yellow line
That
is?
might be where this is at. Yellow's a gear, means it's a yellow gear.
It's a yellow gear.
That's the size of the gear. Now, I would recommend that we turn the motor over somehow. How do you want to turn the motor over, Joe?
If you hit the button.
Too much.
I could put a big pair of channel locks right here and just rotate it around.
That's
Got a
fine.
good surface right
I
there,
can probably
though.
get a pipe wrench on there and just rotate it.
Not a very good surface to be yanking on like that.
We got this one below that's smaller. I'd rather use the big one. Or you can put it in gear over there and turn it over.
Put it in gear.
Put it in gear. Hit the up button.
Is that so it just doesn't spin wildly?
Hit the up button.
The up button.
The up button.
Which one's up? This one?
That's up. Okay.
Wheels off the ground.
Okay, rotate motor.
Rotate motor. Keys off. Right direction?
I don't know which way you're going. No.
Other way? If I can only move it in gear.
Well, if you put it in low gear, it's hard to turn. If you put it in high gear, it's easier.
There we go.
Whoa, slow down.
Oh, it's too much. Forward?
Keep going.
Back?
Just a little bit. Whoa. Just barely touch it. Whoop, too far. Go back half. Again. 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 Stop. Okay, we like the spot here? Where's the inspector at?
Inspector Joe.
It's his bike.
His bike.
It's lining the dot, lining up.
You like it there?
Yeah, and that one should line up here, right?
You want, what do you want this one lined up at?
With that other group, that
Where-
dot.
Where's the mark?
Right there, see that
I
mark?
can't see it. It's too. There's not a dot there.
There's a line.
Oh, there's a line. Okay. Yeah, there's a line there.
I can't tell if it's on the right tooth or not. Not going in though.
It's not going in.
Pressure on the cam.
Well, see, when you got the two teeth lined up like this, they don't work. You give them between the teeth. It's that male thing. Male don't work. Female.
I couldn't see it.
You understand that?
No, that one.
Oh, there you go. Male, female. It works perfect.
That was good. Look at that tripod.
Joe, you're blocking the view. How can you see in there if you don't do it?
Back over here where I belong.
Okay, now we're gonna verify that this is lined up correctly.
On camera. On camera.
So when it doesn't work, we know why.
There's too much light. There's too much light.
There. There's the washer. Okay, are we gonna reuse this gasket again?
You said it wouldn't leak, so.
I said look good.
Wipe it clean.
But I did bring a new gasket just in case.
I had a whole bag of gaskets.
Is that the dirty rag?
It is now. Okay, I would recommend put this thing back on the ground, but put it in gear for, well,
neutral?
no, leave it in gear, put it down.
Yeah? All the way back on the kickstand?
Wait, go up. It's got to come towards
Go up,
Up.
him.
up, now down. Okay, that's good. Now we get the oil to help us. We need gravity to help us keep it dry over here, so we can put the cover back
Need some clean rags?
on. I'm all out. I'm using this one here. Somebody used up all my clean rags.
Here's all my gaskets right here, Ken.
Where? That's in there?
Everything.
Whoa.
O-rings for the pushrod tubes and everything.
We need those?
You
Did you have a leaky one last
changing
time?
those?
I forget.
Huh?
Was it leaking?
No.
This
It
rag's
wasn't one
dirty.
time, but I fixed it.
Joe, this rag is dirty.
You want another clean one?
No. I got my clean one right here. The one I wiped the floor with the other earlier.
And the bench.
I'll get the oil residue off.
No gasket cinch?
Does it look like there's any gasket cinch on there?
No.
There's oil on my rag. Clean rag.
Hmm.
Where's my gasket cinch? You mean this stuff?
Yes, sir. It's called Easy. No, it's a Edelbrock or
This
something?
side. Edelbrock. You don't say Edelbrock on it.
That's still gasket cinch. Then.
You have to get Edelbrock gasket cinch from Edelbrock.
I know where I got that
I didn't
too. I
get
got
this.
one at home. I
didn't get this from Edelbrock, so I don't
I
have
got it
Edelbrock.
from
Was it like
auto parts store.
Indian shellac?
Not Edelbrock.
Almost like a rubber cement almost, you know.
It is. Basically, that's what it is. But it's slightly different.
It doesn't, oil don't mess with it too much, you know.
Well, gasoline does, but oil doesn't. On my race bike, this is all I use. I don't even use the gasket.
Get out of here. Really? The service is that good?
You know, somebody machined it, didn't know what they were doing. Wasn't Harley, obviously.
You got an oil plug, the oil crankcase plug on the bottom. So easy access to the rods.
I don't know, you saw the oil panel was on it.
I didn't get a good look at it though.
It smells good.
You're huffing glue
Yeah.
again?
It's buzzable.
The glue huffers like it.
Huffing glue. Yeah, I remember some guys. A little kid. I was in my mom's house. Probably not even in school yet. And there were two guys out in my front yard. We had these big trees in the front yard. Two guys came by. Were sitting underneath the tree, huffing something on a sock.
That was Joe.
I mean, that was a long time ago. I remember as clear as a bell. I could see them do it. I know who the guys are too.
They're all screwed up now, right?
I think they're both dead.
Killed them. Joe, this doesn't want to go back in there.
Phone.
That because of the push rods, I mean the lifters.
That's your phone.
Mine and
Hey, he doesn't have a phone.
mine's my bicycle on my jacket. I mean,
It's not my phone.
got the T-Mobile reading.
It's over here.
We got an oil leak over here. Somebody missed the,
Left it on the shelf
Yeah.
behind your head.
the noise is behind me over here.
Somewhere up there.
What I put it on here?
Oh.
Musical instruments. Google's gonna tag me for the video now. I said
Hello?
there's music in that video.
Working on Marshall right now.
And I'm gonna have to pay somebody to post my
What's going on
video.
with you?
Go outside, Joe. You're bothering me.
Problem 2.
He doesn't listen.
You moving again?
Joe, go outside.
Oh. All right.
He
Yeah,
doesn't listen.
I'll get a hold of you when I get done here.
Joe doesn't care what I say.
Bye.
Joe, did you hear what I said?
No, sir.
Go outside.
Oh, so nobody hears our conversation?
So I don't have to listen to you.
All right, next time for sure.
I only said it. How many times I said that?
We'll have to replay the video.
Yeah.
Maybe 3 times. Maybe twice.
Sorry, guys.
I'm thinking that screw's too long. We got to see it's just a little too long.
Well, one's to hold that bracket for the
3 of them hold the bracket.
exhaust. 3.
3 holes.
It's not the old lady, 3-holder. My ass, I mean.
See, we didn't need that magnet after all.
Didn't need what?
We didn't pull the cam.
Oh.
So I held the cam and it was cedar when I pulled the cover off.
That helped.
That helped stay the cam, yeah.
The primary cover off of Jim.
You gonna take the cover off?
What's that one over here on the floor off of?
I don't know.
The motor you're working on?
I don't know what you're looking at.
Look at a big one.
Big what?
65 pound and stand cast. No, I don't know what it is.
Primary cover. What kind of primary cover?
That's by the NOS tank.
NOS tank. I can't see an NOS tank around here.
By your tripod.
Don't worry about it. I'm just talking shit right now.
What are you looking at?
The primary right there next to
There's
the
a
NOS
nitrous
tank.
bottle down there.
Huh?
Oh, you mean the inner primary?
The M8?
Inner primary you're talking about.
Yeah, the inner primary right there, yeah.
That is for a real Harley Davidson.
A real Harley.
Is it
So then it
60
must be an
pound?
M8.
Handhead.
Shovel head.
I don't know the difference.
It's got a starter spot.
What's it say on it?
The number still? Part number?
It says real bike.
Yeah. 96?
86. FXR.
Too long. Waiting for a soft shell maybe. Soft shell Evo. Looks too long to me anyway. Real bike, Keenan.
Joe's favorite.
Vintage bike. This is a vintage bike.
That was for a 79 FXR.
79.
79.
A 79
Early model.
FXR.
The early model FXR.
That's what it says on there, doesn't it?
No,
It's 86.
it's with 86.
Oh, it's a different one then. It must be the soft tail one then.
It looks like it. It's definitely got an FXR.
There was an FXR one over there. FLT FXR, same part. 79 to early 84.
Maybe off one of them Yules or something.
The soft tail one's all bead blasted. Is that one all bead blasted?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a soft tail one. That was a late 80s soft tail.
According to part number.
Like 86 to early 89 or something.
It said 86.
That's just parts you that eBay buy or what?
I don't know anybody would buy that crap on eBay. Who would do that?
You.
Oh.
After watching some of these videos of these
The
unboxings,
shit I buy on eBay?
the shit I buy.
The crap I buy.
Oh,
Excuse me.
I didn't want to.
Crap I buy on eBay.
Some people buy anything.
For the right price. One man's trash is another man's
He
treasure.
always gets the right price, you know that.
No, I get screwed too, just like everybody else.
Not very often, probably. Though.
It happens.
I get some bad parts sometimes.
Okay, where's the hole out of this thing? The wire's not letting me get in the hole.
What's that?
You're not done yet?
The wire is bothering me.
Oh. I pull a little slack into it. M8 6-speed trans, blown up gear set, swap out transmission, Milwaukee 8 Harley Davidson. You got something about
There it goes. Got in the hole. She went in the hole, Joe.
She went in the hole.
Good.
She went in the hole.
Man, there's a lot of videotape on that one transmission.
There's 3 trannies there.
Hmm?
There's 3 trannies there.
Oh, is it? Also, the M8 6-speed, blown up gear set.
Yeah, that's why I don't like 6 speeds. They blow up. Garbage.
What did you do on the lathe?
These are garbage.
Straighten the shaft out?
You know, if you're gonna comment about videos, you're gonna have to watch them.
I'm just saying, I want to find something a little more interesting.
More interesting than you work on your bike. There you go, Joe don't care.
There's one with me on the front right there. See the crap I buy? Joe's stupid questions and what things
Joe's
look like
stupid
That-
questions.
after cleaning Harley's face.
That's #1 video. Joe's stupid
That-
question.
As soon as they saw Joe's stupid, you didn't know that was on there?
That's the first time I seen it.
Oh, I saw that.
What was I asking about?
It was stupid. Hey, we're watching the videos.
Oh, that was about
Watching
the
Tatro videos at
cow pie,
Tatro.
cow pie transmission thing.
Yeah.
Joe, what's a cow pie training?
I saw an early, late shovelhead or something. Is that what it was? Shovelhead?
This one right there.
FXR?
No.
That's the same one. They're on shovelheads, weren't they?
No.
That's what
Oh
it's
yeah,
like
shovelhead.
Cow pie.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like after we cleaned it.
So this is called a cow pie training.
What did I ask you? What did I say? What is it?
You thought it was a magneto.
Yeah.
I think you were sick that day.
I really didn't recognize it at all, man.
I could tell. This screw is
Screwed.
This screw is sucks.
Which one?
This one up on top.
The Allen bolt?
Oh. He's tightening it anyway.
This one's kind of rounded out too.
Look at these jugs right here.
I think that these screws aren't the best.
These are 8 head bolts, so you don't blow head
That's
gas.
some drag
There's no
racing
head
stuff
gas
right there.
anyway, it just takes no work.
Oh yeah. He won't let you
On top.
use them on your bike.
Those axe tails, you don't want those on your bike.
No.
The no pins at all on.
That's rude watching video on top of a video, Ruth Joe.
It's a whole lot of Tatro going on.
Strange looking pistons though.
Pretty bad when I'm working on your bike and watching my videos.
Like on the mix even, man. I got my picture on the mix thing. Man,
How many views are on that video?
Huh?
How many views are on that video, Joe?
Where do I find that information at?
You're in a video somewhere. It's posted. I don't hide nothing in my videos. I let everybody see everything.
You gotta be kidding me.
What?
2,500. Almost 2,600.
So 2,500 people know you're stupid or have questions.
Yeah.
Is that revving up good?
Only 150 likes though.
Yeah, they're all boys. All right, Joe.
Where we at now?
Cam cover's on.
Put the plugs back in?
Does the motor still turn over or lock up when I did that?
Oh. Press the button.
Well, I don't think it's gonna turn over. I mean, lock it.
Turn the motor over and see. Where's the lid for this thing?
The what? The lid over here. Put it back on the shelf.
I'm gonna have to wipe the bottom of the container off. Let me go wipe it off.
That's all the videos we can do today, folks.
We're gonna have to just deal with the ones we're dealing with now. Where's your bolt, Joe?
Which one? For the timing thing?
These things right here.
Everything's in that box.
They got dirty. Okay, Joe did not do his lock tab correctly.
On the foot peg?
Yeah,
Let me flatten it out for you.
I gotta get the tool. Way back.